Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get AI on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and if we want to get AI, we can use Microsoft Copilot. So this is how the Copilot app you can access this Copilot, and then you'll be able to interact with AI. If this application hasn't appeared on your Windows, you can search it. You can search for Copilot, and usually the Copilot app will be automatically installed if you have Microsoft on your Windows. If you haven't installed this application, you can go to the store, Microsoft Store, and then you can search for Copilot and you can install it on your Windows 11. Okay, and now it's time to open this Copilot to interact with AI. Okay, and then you can send a message to Copilot. Like this. For example, I'm going to ask the AI to make an article for me. Okay, I want to create climate change article. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get AI on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.